Wheel Deal Wirral, experts with over 20 years of experience in the refurbishment of alloy and steel wheels. Our customers come to us wanting a colour change, or when experiencing air leakage or damage to the wheel. We fully refurbish wheels that are brought into ourselves. These come in either on the vehicle or as loose wheels. Wheels are taken off the car and the tyres removed, before immersing the wheel rims in an acid bath to strip off all the existing paintwork. Once stripped, the wheels are shot blasted with a fine steel shot to remove all paint residue and any areas of corrosion or imperfections on the wheel rims. Wheels are then prepared for coating and heated up in our oven, ready for a protective powder coat primer layer to be applied to the wheel surface and then placed in the oven. The powder coat colour finish is later also applied and baked on. Once cooled, the tyres are fitted back on the wheels and balanced before being fitted back on the vehicle, ready for the customer to drive away. Wheel prices start from £180 for loose wheels and £250 on the vehicle. Our usual turnaround is 36 hours for vehicles and 2 to 3 days for loose wheels. Wheels come with a 1-year guarantee on the paint finish.